In front of me is POCO F8 Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it using Bluetooth. All you need to do is go into settings and hit Bluetooth right away. Then use this switcher at the top to activate it and wait for available devices to show. When they do, click on the one you wanna connect to. Now, click on this icon next to allow access to your contacts and call history to enable or disable this option, and then hit pair. Wait for the other device to accept your connection request, or quick tip in case of another smartphone or a tablet, you need to accept it manually on the second device. As you can see, after a few seconds, my devices were successfully connected. To manage this connection, click on this icon on the right. Check out all of those options, and to disconnect and unpair those devices, hit unpair under rename. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!